All right, it's time for the moment of truth. Cheap tacos. Let's see what we got. Don't ever forget your quarter when you go to Aldi's, because if you forget your quarter, you can't get a shopping cart. And if you can't get a shopping cart, then you have to carry a bunch of stuff in your hands the entire time. Rex, you want some tacos, bud? You want some tacos? You want some tacos? Give me five. Give me five. You want tacos? All right, everyone, it's time for a little taste test. And the first step is to drench in your favorite hot sauce. Cheap tacos. Let's see what we got. All right, so tallying up the ingredients and the cost of each ingredient, we divided by the cost per taco, and that comes out to a grand total of If you guys have any other ideas for more food videos, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.